Circuits of the Ancients. Episode 2. The Temple as Machine. If the human body was the first engine, then the monuments they built were its reflection. Living machines in stone, metal, and water, designed to amplify, channel, and harness energy. Across Egypt, Mesopotamia, and secret mystery schools, engineers, priests, and initiates combined observation of the human form with chemical mastery and mechanical innovation. Temples were more than sacred spaces. They were laboratories of resonance alchemical circuits where matter, water, and air became extensions of the body's own energy. Evidence remains in the marks they left, scoop marks and grooves on granite, perfectly curved, saw cuts sharper than modern blades, drill cores spiraling with precision, and rotary turbine plates embedded in quarries. These were not brute force works, they were controlled transformations of matter. Water powered lathes, drills, grinders, and saws through canals, sluices, and aqueducts. Compound snatch blocks multiplied force, allowing a single operator to lift tons. Every pulley, gear, and turbine replicated the torque, rotation, and rhythm of the human body, turning effort into amplified motion. Stone became a conductor of energy, and motion became the pulse of creation. Materials were equally sophisticated. Geopolymers crafted from lime, ash, natron, and even urea allowed granite, marble, and composite stones to be cast and hardened with precision. Salts, carbon, and minerals enhanced chemical bonding, conductivity, and resonance. Metals formed channels of energy, copper and bronze as conductors, gold plating to amplify fields, iron traces to enhance structural and magnetic properties. Walls, floors, and chambers were layered to conduct energy, store charge, and amplify vibrations, a direct reflection of the human body's magnetic, piezoelectric, and plasma currents. Water itself became a living component. Flowing through aqueducts and turbines, sluice gates, and canals acted as veins, directing force where needed. Driving saws and lathes, turning wheels, and rotary tables, each drop of water was measured, each channel calculated to produce maximum torque with minimal energy loss. Motion, pressure, and rhythm combined to create a dynamic system where humans and machines worked as one. A network of energy that mirrored the internal currents of the human body, from pulse to breath to magnetic resonance. Sound and vibration were harnessed with the same precision. Temples acted as acoustic amplifiers. Footsteps, chants, and ritual movement excited the stone and water, producing standing waves that align with the energy of initiates. Every chamber, groove, and material choice was intentional. Stone resonated, metal conducted, water pulsed, and humans completed the circuit. Energy flowed seamlessly between flesh and structure, between motion and matter, between observation and creation. Alchemy was embedded in the very materials. Geopolymers were activated through heat, moisture, salts, and even human-derived chemicals. Metals were alloyed and plated, creating circuits that bridge stone with electricity and magnetic fields. Stone surfaces were softened, etched, or hardened with chemical interventions, producing structures of precision and durability unmatched by brute labor alone. Every block, every beam, every mixture of mineral and organic matter was a controlled experiment in energy storage, conduction, and transformation. The temples were designed to extend, amplify, and reflect the human engine. Granite blocks echo the resonance of bones. Canals mirror blood flow, gears reproduce joint motion, turbines replicate the heart's rhythm, and chambers magnify breath and intention. Stone Metal and water became living instruments, translating observation of the body into external architecture, energy circuits, and chemical mastery. Energy, matter, and consciousness merged into a single coherent system, a tangible blueprint of what the ancients saw in the human form. The body powered the mind guided the tools transformed matter. Flesh and bone were the first generators, stone and water the second. Energy moved between them in a closed loop of observation, alchemy, and resonance. The first temple was internal. The second temple was external. Together, they formed the circus of the ancients, a network of matter and energy that endures in resonance, geometry, and hidden currents still waiting to be understood. In episode 3, we will explore the alchemy of these materials, the reactions, geopolymers, metals, and chemical mixtures, and how the ancients fused energy, matter, and consciousness into structures that still pulse with hidden power today.